Friends, good evening. Today it is 4/6/2023 and the time is 8 o'clock. And 2 weeks before we mentioned that 4th to 9th of June is a culmination area, is a culmination week. So something is going to happen major in this week. Okay. And apart from that, the planetary position, two planets are doing something, and then moon today. So many planetary aspects are combining, and the major one is the Venus. So you need to look out for Titan, McDowell, UPL, and Tata Motors. Okay, and Titan we are long, and it is doing extremely well, and it already got 2 cycles in the past, in the last 2 days, and it closed above that. So we are holding our long in Titan, and it is literally rocking. So this is the planetary aspects which is happening. And apart from all that, there is something, one simple time cycle is doing a wonder. A simple time cycle is doing a wonder, and I will show you. You can also go and use this in your trading. Okay, let's go and see how it is doing a miracle. Okay, so now this I already shared with you in the past also, and something is happening again, happened already on 2nd. So now this is our Telegram channel, and we clearly mentioned around 11 o'clock itself that major planetary aspects are happening on Sunday and Monday. So watch out, it's going to be a one-side big move. So we clearly mentioned, don't underestimate the planetary movement on Sunday. It will go one side big move. Bulls or bears will lose dash after Monday candle. Okay, and this is one. And second thing, if you come down to numbers, I have given 3 recommendations where you can use a very, these are all our 1 second, I will show you. Second. Okay, so watch out for this. See, Bank Nifty already made the all-time high, but many stocks are still struggling. And apart from that, the major one, which is HDFC and HDFC Bank, are literally struggling. So now, in case if the Bank Nifty has to go up from here, then the 2 guys has to perform well. One is HDFC Bank and the second is HDFC. Okay, so now with a very small stop loss, we can buy HDFC Bank above 1620, and stop loss is 1595, and these are the targets which I am expecting in case if the market goes up from here. I am talking about HDFC Bank, but the stop loss is must, and we will buy only on certain condition which I have already told in the webinar. Okay, and for HDFC it is buy about 2705, stop loss 2630. These are all the targets. Okay, these 2. And Reliance also I have already covered, and we clearly mentioned about Sun Pharma when it was quoting at 992. We said if it holds 992, the bottom is done. So for example, if you go to Sun Pharma, if you put 992, okay, Sun Pharma. So this we mentioned on May 22nd that, remember, if Sun Pharma holds 922 bottom done, and today it is quoting at 1000. So based on the fortune signals where it gave a fake sell on daily at 922, we said if it holds 922 bottom done, and from there it was a miracle. Okay, so these are all something we talked about, and there are a lot of charts which was explained here. And there is one more interesting thing which I want to show. Just a minute. Just a minute. See, this video will be a little lengthy, so you need to take it no other go. See, earlier we predicted if the market makes the top on May 20th, then the bottom will happen only on January 21, 2024. But the May 20th low is not broken. So it means it is wide. It has to close below May 20th, so which is not happened. But based on another analysis, if Nifty holds 28th April low, which is 17,885, then the top will happen on 9th Jan 2024. Then the top will happen only on 9th Jan 2024. If closes below 28th low, then this forecast is wide, nullified. But till it holds 28th April low, which is 17,885, there will be a mega bull run from here. And the top will happen on 9th Jan. And the top will happen on 9th. Don't ask me that, will it go straight? All that will not happen. There will be, hanky-panky in between. But the top, the major top will happen on 9th Jan. Okay. So this is another observation. Okay. And apart from that, there are a lot of charts, shared in this. So now let's go and talk about the time cycle. So you all know a circle as 360 degree. Okay. The circle as 360. And the 360 will work like a magic in stock market. Will work like a magic. So now simply, you don't need to know astrology when Venus is conjecting, doing ingress, or Mercury is conjecting, Uranus. All that you don't need. A simple time cycle. So watch this. So now, this is where the Nifty made the high, which happened on 19th October 2021. And from there, you calculate 360 trading days. You can use calendar days also, but I always prefer to trade on trading days. Okay. So if you take 360 days where one mega cycle ends, the new beginning will start on 361st day. Okay. So if you take 360 days from 19th October 2021, it made the exact bottom. It made the exact bottom. And from there, the new beginning started. It was a miracle run till now. It is a miracle run till now. But the second, which happened here, which is more or less the inside bar candle, people, those who know how to read the chart pattern and how to trade the inside bar pattern, you people know. But this second is very important. Why? Because if you take the low after it made the high on October 19, the low was made on 20th December. I was writing this date when the market started coming down from here. I clearly mentioned the bottom will happen on 20th December or 21st December. 21st December, everybody knows it's a Gann date, it's a solar date. But the market made the bottom on 20th December. So if you take 360 days from here, from 20th December, the 360 days is happened on 2nd. The 360 days is happened on 2nd. So from tomorrow, it's a new beginning. It's a new beginning. So I don't know. People are jumping on the street that Dow Jones is 700 points up and all that. I don't care about what Dow Jones do. Okay. The thing is, since we are having 3 astro event and coupled with 360 days from the low, if you are a positional player, mark the high and low of tomorrow. Don't trade tomorrow. Mark the high and low of tomorrow. Simply trade based on the high and low. If the if any candle closes above the high of tomorrow, then simply go long. If any candle closes below the tomorrow's low, simply go short, because this is the beginning. It may be the beginning or it may be the end. In this case, if you take the 360 days from the top, this was the clear new beginning, and from there the rally started at 17,220 and we are at 18,500. 500 level. Okay, roughly around 1,600 points. That's 1,400 points. But now in this case here, again same. It may be a beginning or it may be an end. Okay, so people, those who are trading on a positional basis and those who don't hold any position, those who want to initiate the new position, mark at the high and low of tomorrow's candle. If it goes above the tomorrow's candle high, then simply buy by keeping a stop loss of tomorrow's low. Or if it breaks the tomorrow's low, then keep a stop loss of tomorrow's high and go short. And for the intraday players, keep quiet for the first 15 minutes tomorrow. Don't do anything. Just keep quiet for 15 minutes. Mark the high and low of 15 minutes. Then take the trade. And I already taught to many people how to trade on the trend change date based on the candle formation in the first 15 minutes. Okay. So now this is the time cycle. And if you go and check, many Nifty stocks are made the bottom exactly on 20th December. So most of the Nifty stocks, including Bank Nifty stocks, are having the mega 360 days got over on on Friday, which is 2nd, and the new beginning is going to happen on 5th. So many stocks are coming into trend change day. For example, if you go to Bank Nifty, so I've already taken 360 days from the low, which is 20th December. Again, the 360 days is happening here. It's happened here on 2nd. And if I take the 360 days from here on the top of 25th October, where it made the top. So when I put 360 days, the day came here. From there, you saw a miracle rally. Simple time cycle. You don't need to know astrology to predict the market. You don't need all that. Simple things will do magic. So now, apart from that, what is special in Nifty? Apart from this, what is special in Nifty is because if you go here, and I've already explained to many people why this is a mega cycle for Nifty, especially for Nifty. So if you go here, if I connect this low and this high, where it took roughly around 21 days cycle, this 21 days cycle worked really like a mad. For example, if you take here exact top, exact bottom, exact top, exact bottom, exact bottom, exact bottom, this doesn't work well. Again, exact top, exact bottom, exact bottom, exact bottom. So now if you come to the recent one, the recent observation, exact top on 23rd January, exact top on 22nd February, exact bottom on 24th March, exact bottom on 28th March, and the exact top on 30th May. Why this 30th May is very special now? In case if the market is not able to close above this, even though if there is a gap up open tomorrow, okay, if the gap up open is not able to sustain above 30th May high, which is 18,662. Our number was 18,666. It missed by only 4 points. Okay. If the market is not able to close above 18,662, the fall will aggravate. Because time cycle based on 20th and the time cycle based on 360, everything is combining tomorrow. So tomorrow is very crucial for the coming week, and the whole week is completely crucial. So we are in a very delicate situation. And if you see in the last week, market did nothing. Pure consolidation, compression, everything is happening. And that is why if you see Nifty future and the Bank Nifty future converged on Thursday. On Friday, Bank Nifty future converged to the core. The difference is hardly 5 points. It means it is going to bust to one side. It may be on the higher side or it may be on the lower side. So how to trade? Mark the high and low of the first 15 minutes, take the trade. If it goes above the 15 minutes high, don't try to go short in the market. Be with the long and go long. We may see even 1,000 points tomorrow in Bank Nifty after the opening also. We don't know where it's going to open, whether it is going to open 700 points upside or 300 points downside. We don't know all that. Wherever it opens, mark the higher low of the first 15 minutes and take the trade, because so many things are combining tomorrow. And I've already explained everything here. And you can go back and do your back testing on if there is any stock made a bottom on 20th December. For example, if you go to Reliance, it will be a same replica of Nifty. So if you go here, so Reliance made an exact low on 20th December. So the important date for Reliance, the 360 day, it closed on 2nd June. So this guy is having a trend change date. The new beginning for Reliance is tomorrow. So like that, many stocks, many index stocks made the bottom on 20th December 2021. Right? So kindly go and do the homework and take the trade and try to make some money out of it. Okay. So this is a simple time cycle which I want to discuss with you, and you can use it for your life. You can use it for your life. You don't need anybody. Okay. So now let's go and talk about numbers. So if you come here, so we are writing this for so many days or so many weeks. In the second page, if you go to the PPT, we are writing this for so many weeks. That 2nd June week, which is 5th to 9th, and in the bracket, 4th is very important holiday, is the next important weekly time cycle. Weekly time cycle. So now, coming to the important dates for the month of June, I have already marked the important dates for the June, and the next important aspect is happening on 12th June. Very crucial. 12th June, very crucial. Again, 12th June is happening exactly on Monday, next Monday. So many things are combining, so watch out. So again, 4th and 5th is the major astro event with the combination of moon. Moon is just a normal part, that's all. There are many things to planetary position. So that will have a more weightage than this full moon, no moon, quarter moon and all that. Okay. But this is adding to it. So with the combination of planetary movements, so the movement will be mega. And apart from all that, the numbers are converged. The futures numbers are converged, especially Bank Nifty, expecting minimum 250 points in Nifty, 750 points in Bank Nifty in a single day. In a single day, because of the compression. When the compression happens, the future numbers will converge. The futures numbers will converge. Okay. So 20, already we mentioned, 2nd June is the very important trend change date. And we gave this on 1st June itself. So I've already marked the higher low of 2nd and the higher low of Bank Nifty. So whichever side it's going to break, it's going to give a big move in the coming week. And coming to the numbers, Nifty is holding this, Bank Nifty is holding this based on the expiry. Coming to June month number, it has to cross about 18,666. Till it holds 18,414, where this number and this number converge. 18,415 and 18,414 is more or less converged, only 1 point difference. Till it is holding 18,414 on a closing basis for the month of June, you should be in long only. You should be in long only. If any close below 14,414 on a closing basis, be very, very careful in the market for the month of June. For the month of June, hardly 100 points from here. Let's see how the market is going to play a vital role based on this number. And coming to the expiry from Friday to the coming Thursday. Buy above 18,408, sell below 18,416. See how many numbers are exactly matching at 416. So 416 to 415 is the vital level for Nifty. And any close below 43,580 For this weekly expiry, it will be dangerous for Bank Nifty. Okay, so all the numbers are given, and tomorrow I will give this number also for the coming week. Okay, and timings for tomorrow is already given, and the positional timings, which is really rocking, is the first Jan 10:40 to 11:40 to 11:45 candle, which is hardly 8 points. Until now, it has already given 80 points. Okay, so mark that positional candle. Okay, and coming to numbers, Nifty is okay. The resistance is 18,647. Any close above this number is bullish. Any close till it is below 18,647, it is bearish. For the week, this one number is enough for you to trade Nifty future for the complete week. For the complete week, only one number. Okay, and Bank Nifty is definitely looking weak. Whether because of Dow Jones it is going to do gap up, least to bother about all that. We are not doing any photocopy Xerox machine. No. The numbers speak and we are in short. That's all we do. Okay. So in case if the market open gap up tomorrow, these three numbers will act as a resistance. If the market opens big gap up, and let's say it is opening above 44,238, and let's say it opens at 44,400 also. If it comes down to 44,238, if it comes on a retracement, then buy at 44,238 by keeping a stop loss of 44,106 and ride the show. Why? Because if it opens gap up and this two got merged already. I told you 5 points difference. Now it is 6 points. Sorry, it is not 5 points, it is 6 points. So if you see the difference between these two, 44,238, 44,222. So the compression is happened in Bank Nifty. It is only 6 points difference. So this two number will be the vital number for tomorrow. If any gap up above 44,208 and if it retraces to 44,238, buy with the stop loss of 44,106. If the Bank Nifty future doesn't able to cross this 44,238 on a 15 minutes basis, simply go short by keeping a stop loss of 144 points. So the first 15 minutes high and low will do the needful for tomorrow. Okay, and all the weekly numbers I have already given here, so kindly have a watch. I have given the targets on the higher side and the targets on the lower side. And coming to time cycle for stocks, you need to watch Conquer tomorrow. And Granules tomorrow. And 7th is Birlasoft, MRF is 7th, and these are the companies. Again, watch BEL on 10th. 10th is holiday, so you need to watch on Monday, and it is looking extremely good. And the Titan, again, it is coming into yearly dates. So many things are happening in Titan. So kindly watch. There may be a mega move in Titan on the upside or downside, but as of now, it is bullish, extremely bullish. Why? Because you go to Titan, daily, already two time cycle converged here, which happened on 30th May and 31st May, and it closed above that. Till it is going to hold the 30th May low, which is 2790. You don't need to worry about this stock. And too many things are combining. Apart from that, Venus cycle is happening tomorrow. Venus will have a major impact on the precious item. Titan is one of the precious item, which is gold. So something big may happen in Titan. Again, 15 minutes high and low for tomorrow. On positionally, it is already long. Okay. So now coming to HDFC. Why I gave the bigger target in HDFC. So now if you go to HDFC, okay, so now we call this as a magical candle. The candle which happened on 25th May, we call it as a magical candle. Okay, till it holds this magical candle low on a closing basis, the stock will try to go up only, and it is near the bottom. If the Bank Nifty has to go up from here, then it has to be done by HDFC or the HDFC Bank. So kindly have a watch in this two counter. For a very small stop loss, you can make very big gain. You can make very big gain. Again, HDFC, the same happened. It is called the magical candle. Simply buy above this candle high, which is June 1st high, by keeping a stop loss of June 1st low. But the condition, it has to go up and close above the June 1st high, which is 1619. 1620. You can keep it as 1620. It has to close above 1620. Buy above that by keeping the stop loss of 1600. And that is what I mentioned in my Telegram group also. Okay. So kindly watch out. And even if you take HDFC, if you go to now, let's go to HDFC. Let's see where it made the bottom in December. So if you go to HDFC, yeah, so this is also you can take, which is it made a bottom and from there it was a run up. So again, tomorrow is second was the 360 day got over. So again, the new beginning is going to come for HDFC Bank. Many Nifty stocks are having the 360 days ended on second. So new beginning is going to happen. Fingers crossed. We are holding a very small short position in Bank Nifty and Nifty. In case if the market goes above or opens above, and if it crosses the 15 minutes high, then we will close the short position. Otherwise, we will not, close the short position. And we are holding Titan, we are holding Tata Power, we are holding PI Industries, and we are holding one more stock. Sorry, I'm not able to recollect. So we are holding these three longs and a little short in Bank Nifty and Nifty. Okay, that's all. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07 with the magical number of Nifty with the combination time cycle in 5 minutes with the bullish number and the bearish number for the coming week. Okay, fingers crossed for the Astro event. Until then, goodbye.